What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's marketing efforts. The industry has four core players: the merchant, also known as retailer or brand; the network, that contains offers for the affiliate to choose from and also takes care of the payments; the publisher, also known as the affiliate; and the customer. The market has grown in complexity to warrant a secondary tier of players, including affiliate management agencies, super affiliates, and specialized third-party vendors. In simple terms, affiliate marketing is a way for a company to sell its products by signing up individuals or companies, affiliates, who market the company's products for a commission. Affiliates are paid a percentage of the sale price for each product they sell. Affiliate marketing involves the use of tracking links. When a person clicks on a tracking link, a cookie is placed on their browser that tracks their activity. If the person purchases after clicking on the tracking link, the affiliate who placed the tracking link on their website are credited with the sale and earn a commission. Affiliate marketing can be a profitable venture for both merchants and affiliates. Merchants benefit from affiliates promoting their products and services, while affiliates can earn a commission on sales they refer. Affiliate marketing can be done on a variety of platforms, including websites, social media, email, and even text messages. Affiliate marketing is performance-based marketing, meaning that affiliates are only paid when their marketing efforts lead to a sale or other desired action. Affiliates need to disclose to their audience that they are using affiliate links, as failure to do so can result in legal consequences. There are several benefits to affiliate marketing for both merchants and affiliates. For merchants, affiliate marketing can be a cost-effective way to reach a new audience and drive sales. It can help increase brand awareness and credibility. It allows merchants to track the success of their affiliate program and make changes as needed. For affiliates, affiliate marketing can be a good source of passive income. It allows affiliates to choose the products or services they want to promote. It can be a flexible way to earn income, as affiliates can work on their schedule. It can be a fun and rewarding way to earn money, as affiliates can choose products or services that align with their interests. Future of affiliate marketing. It is difficult to predict the exact future of affiliate marketing, as it will depend on a variety of factors such as the growth of e-commerce, the evolution of technology, and changes in consumer behavior. However, affiliate marketing will likely continue to be a popular and effective way for businesses to reach new customers and drive sales. One trend that is already underway is the increasing use of influencer marketing, where affiliates are often social media influencers or content creators who promote products or services to their followers. This trend is expected to continue, as more businesses recognize the value of partnering with influencers to reach their target audience. Another trend that is likely to continue is the use of mobile devices for affiliate marketing. As more people use their smartphones and tablets to shop online, it will be important for affiliates to optimize their marketing efforts for mobile devices. Overall, it is likely that affiliate marketing will continue to evolve and adapt to new technologies and changes in consumer behavior. As long as there are products to be sold and people looking to buy them, affiliate marketing will remain a valuable tool for businesses and affiliates.